Hello, this is Ryan from Zero2Code, and I am here to help you become one of the world's greatest computer programmers. Everything in our modern day life relies heavily on computer applications that computer programmers have built. From Google, which lets us find so many interesting things on the internet, such as this Olympic Games breakdown, to NASA's astronomy picture of the day with this stunning image, to buying items from Amazon or Walmart, to Netflix, Crunchyroll, other applications. Now, one of the reasons why you might be interested in becoming one of the world's greatest programmers is it's a highly sought after skill. For Netflix, they're paying their data engineers, which is one form of computer programmer, up to $750,000 per year, with the average over $500,000 or over $500,000. And beside from just making a lot of money, again, you can make some really interesting applications. Amazon is pretty sophisticated today, but you can make a simple shopping app yourself. You can make a page very similar to astronomy's picture of the day, or NASA's astronomy picture of the day, such as a fan page for your favorite Olympic athlete. And in fact, we'll be working on doing that during these videos. And also, one of the most fun ways to learn how to program is to create simple games. Now, we won't create anything as complicated as Olympic games, but we will create some very simple computer games like tic-tac-toe, Pong, etc. Now, to get started, we're going to learn some fundamental computer programming concepts using Python. And if you don't have Python installed on your computer, then fear not. If you search for Google Colab, and I think you do need a Google account for this, but they're free, you can go down and click cancel. And anything where I am doing Python code, you can do that in this getting started section. So we'll replace this code with our very first computer program, which is a typical first computer program, both to learn how it works in Python or any language, as well as to make sure that your computer has everything in place to run that code. And this is called a Hello World program. And to do that, you need to follow the instructions that a computer wants. Computers are extremely fast and they can be powerful, but computers are really dumb. So they want this specific word, print, all lowercase, no spaces in between those letters. You need a open parentheses, a quote mark, and then whatever message you want to say, a closing quote mark and a closing parentheses. So if we run this, then it will say hello world. And the first time you run this, the computer or this Google Colab will connect to some remote server, and it can take a couple minutes, or maybe a couple dozens of seconds, I should say. Now, if you do have Python installed, then you can go to idle, which I have already pulled up, but it evidently opens another one. And we can do the same thing to make sure that we have Python properly installed on our computer. So we can print hello world. Okay, great. So we verified that Python works. We've learned how to get the computer to kind of echo something back to us. And we'll next learn about a Bart Simpson program. So stay tuned for that next episode.